In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create booking pages in Google Calendar. This is a super helpful skill for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling process and make life a bit easier for themselves and others. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully set up booking page that people can use to schedule appointments with you directly through Google Calendar. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You'll want to make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to do so, and once signed in, you'll have full access to all Google Calendar's features. Once you're in Google Calendar, take a look at the left-hand side of the window. There, you'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it, and a small menu will pop up. From this menu, choose Create New Calendar. This is where we start setting up your booking page. Now that you're creating your new calendar, you'll need to provide some information. Enter a name for your calendar, something straightforward that reflects the purpose of the bookings, like appointments with your name. You can also add a short description, if you'd like, which can be helpful for people booking appointments to understand what kind of meeting this calendar is for. Once you've filled out these fields, hit the Create Calendar button, and your new calendar will be created. Next, go back to the main Google Calendar page, where your new calendar will now appear under My Calendars. Click on this calendar to open its settings. Here, we'll configure some options to make the booking process smooth. Scroll through the settings until you find Event Notifications. It's important to set up notifications so you'll receive timely reminders about your appointments. Choose a time frame that gives you enough notice before each event. At this point, you want to make sure that people can book time slots that suit your availability. Navigate back to your calendar view, click on one of your existing events, and select Appointment Slots. Here you can decide exactly when during your schedule you'd like to be available for appointments, specifying days and time ranges. After you've set up the appointment slots, it's crucial to make these slots accessible to others. Head back to your calendar settings and find the Access Permissions for Events section. Make sure that your calendar is set to public, allowing others to see your available time slots for booking. The final step is sharing the booking page URL with anyone who needs to set up an appointment. Simply click the General Information tab within your calendar settings, and you'll see a section labeled Public URL to this calendar. Share this link with clients, colleagues, or anyone who needs to book time on your calendar. And there you have it, a fully functional booking page on Google Calendar. Remember to keep an eye on your appointments and update your availability as needed. This tool is a game changer for managing your time efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.